With mortgage interest rates being one of the top headlines in the housing market, you may be wondering what the interest rate even is. Let's go over where we're currently sitting at. Hello everyone, I'm Jen, your Delaware Realtor. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am a local Delaware real estate agent that basically covers the entire state because we're kind of small. So whether you're looking to buy or sell in Delaware, I would absolutely love the opportunity to help you. My information is down below in the description, so please feel free to send me an email. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Mortgage interest rates have been a focal point of concern for both potential home buyers and current homeowners throughout 2024. In January, we saw lower rates, and in February, we saw slightly higher rates, and then in March and April, we saw high rates. And that was driven by inflation and the monetary policy adjustments. But for the past 3 weeks, we have seen mortgage interest rates decline. Now, what's driving this decline, and what does this mean for the housing market? As of Friday, mortgage interest rates for a 30-year fixed rate, according to Freddie Mac, is sitting at a 6.94%. Now, this is down from the previous high of 7.2%. Now, it's not a lot. I'm not going to claim that that's going to help potential home buyers a lot. It might help them slightly. And honestly, just a side note, I feel for potential home buyers. So I am not a mortgage lender. We've talked about this multiple times in my videos. I don't claim to be a mortgage lender, so I have to do research for these videos. And let me just tell you about the headline that two conflicting headlines that I saw in just doing research for this particular video. If you went onto Google and you typed in mortgage interest rates and then went to the news tab, the first headline that I saw was mortgage interest rates rise for the first time in a month. Now, if you went to Freddie Mac, this is what Freddie Mac said. Mortgage interest rates drop for the third straight week. Complete opposite of what the other one said, right? So it's all it is so important to have a local trusted mortgage lender on your team and on your side. Someone that if the average person was just going onto Google just to see what the mortgage interest rate was, and they read that headline and then read Freddie Mac or watched this video, they would be so confused because it's so conflicting. And the media is basically saying, oh, the mortgage interest rates are so high. And I'm not going to sit here and say that they're not high, because they are. But it's very, very important to get your information from a trusted mortgage lender. Someone that is in this day in and day, just in it, really. They're going to know what the mortgage interest rates are. So I just wanted to give that little side tangent as to it is so frustrating to go and see all of these conflicting headlines, because most of the time they're just putting that headline out there for clicks. Okay, so why are we seeing the decline in mortgage interest rates? The primary driver that has brought down mortgage interest rates is inflation. Inflation numbers have started to ease, which has taken the pressure off of the Fed to not be so aggressive with their rate hikes. This change has helped to stabilize long-term treasury yields. And if you've watched my videos, you know what I'm about to say. Mortgage interest rates closely follow the treasury yields. I know that everyone is being very optimistic in saying that we're going to see rate cuts at the end of 2024. I've also seen September or October, November, right near the election, essentially. Now, do I see that currently? I still do not see that, but maybe we will see a rate cuts towards the election. I don't know. But this has been factored in when it comes to mortgage lending. Now, speaking of mortgage lenders, I have seen, in being in this industry, I have seen a lot of mortgage lenders, I don't want to say panic, because that's not what they're doing, but I have definitely seen a lot of them saying that business is down and that mortgage applications are down. And it's because as groceries and gas and other necessities become more and more expensive, buying a home and having a mortgage payment that is $2,200, $2,500, it's just not feasible right now for a first-time home buyer or even a family that has 2 kids. So what I think we're going to see here is that mortgage lenders are going to start to become more competitive. So as the housing market starts to cool off, many of the banks and lending companies are going to start to lower their interest rates or do some kind of incentive, whether it be 0% down or more grant programs or something that is going to get people to want to purchase a home again. So I really do think this is going to contribute to the overall decline in average interest rates. So what does this all mean though for the housing market and you as a buyer or a seller? Now, as the interest rates come down, if you watch my other videos, you know that it's actually going to help your affordability, right? So your interest rate plays a huge role in your monthly mortgage payment and the overall interest that you pay of the loan. So as they come down, your monthly mortgage payment is supposed to come down. Now, going from 7.2 to 6.94 is not a huge jump. Honestly, it's probably going to save you about $100 a month off your monthly mortgage payment, which I know is not a lot because essentially you could go to the grocery store and buy 4 things and spend $100, right? So in the grand scheme of things, $100 is really not a lot anymore, but it is something, and we are hopefully trending in the right direction. So the good news for you as a buyer, if you are qualified to purchase a home right now and you feel comfortable with the monthly mortgage payment, I am starting to see a little bit more inventory come on the market. Now, if you are a seller, I am definitely starting to see homes stay on the market for longer. And what I mean by that is that we're not seeing homes sell within a weekend anymore. Really, they're staying on the market for about 3 weeks. And in some cases, we are seeing price reductions happen in order to get that home under contract. I'll be honest, buyer sentiment is just not that great right now because things like what I just said, gas and food and everything else is becoming way more expensive. Buyers just are priced out of the market. They can't afford the monthly payment. They don't want to spend that much in a monthly payment. So I would just be prepared if you are planning on putting your house on the market that you may not sell within a weekend. You may be on the market for, say, 3 weeks, and you may need to do a price reduction or allow seller's assistance. All of this to say that if you are a potential home buyer that is wanting to buy in Delaware, it is very, very crucial that you have a trusted mortgage lender and a realtor on your side that will help you through this process. Because like I just said, the average person going on Google and looking this stuff up, you are going to get so many conflicting things sent your way. And if I was you, I would be completely confused and honestly probably just throw my hands up in the air and just walk away from it. So it's always best to have a team on your side so that you know and you have the up-to-date information. I really hope that this video helped. If it did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Like I just said, if you are looking to buy or sell in Delaware, I would absolutely love the opportunity to help you. My information is down below in the description. There is a link to set up a meeting with me for a one-on-one consultation, whether you're buying or selling, where I can give you a unique plan for you. Once again, I really hope this video helped. If it did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, if you are looking to purchase in Delaware, you should definitely check out this video right here. And if you would love to see some Delaware communities with me, check out this playlist right here. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel.